Michael, we need to talk.
Why does everybody think that's an acceptable way to start a conversation? Oh my God, what happened to your shirt? Did Catherine about it?
Looks better than the crap you wear in your pants.
I look good. It's fashionable.
Watermelon? You having a picnic?
But listen, I look good. What do you want to talk about?
It's about this buff it out thing. You go around the house, things are broken, you say you could buff it out. The cat scratches me, you say you could buff it out.
It doesn't even sound like something I would say. I don't think I've ever said that. Prove it. You don't have any proof. Oh, is this what you're talking about? No, buff right out. Oh, come on. You don't need to bring it to a shop. Bring it on over. I'll buff it out. What? Come on. It's not broke. I'll buff that right out.
I'm over it. I'm done. This friendship is over, dude. Lose my number.
I could buff that out. Okay, so I've said it like a couple of times. But remember your car? You kept asking me to fix the scratch. What did I do? I buffed it out. Where is it? Oh, now that I can buff out. I think that's a point for me. Game, set, match. Hey, I'm Mike and welcome back to the Hangar Hideout. Now, okay, things break, I get that, but I'm not gonna get it fixed. Most things could just be buffed out or wrap some duct tape around it. It's good as new. Why throw things away or pay to have them fixed? One thing I know I can buff out, we got a little scratch on here, and you know what? Scratches get buffed. It's like where it came from. So why don't we go ahead and buff this scratch out? So here we have a good old scuff on the whole side mirror. And we're gonna buff it out. Now cars get scratches, you can't be mad about it. It happens, you take the car out, get scratched. Go to Walmart, you park a mile away, someone's gonna find your car and ram a cart into it, or park right next to you, open their door, give you a good old door ding. But today, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of it. Probably the wrong way. So for the first step, you gotta clean the area. You don't wanna rub dirt in there. You make the scratch even worse. Get yourself a microfiber, wipe her down, get the dirt off. By the way, Dr. Dills is still gone. He's on vacation. Could really use a helping hand. He said he really needed the vacation. I'm on vacation. You don't need a vacation from me. I'm really fun to be around. Now that the area is dry, you go ahead and buy any scratch remover. Find at the auto parts store, McGuire's, Mother's, they all got them. You're gonna need one important thing, a drill, because your hand can't move that fast. Or maybe you do and you have a really happy wife. I don't know. Now the next and probably most important step is remember that you loaned your good drill to a buddy of yours, but then you gotta remember that you have like a crappy corded drill from the 1980s that you're gonna use, because it doesn't matter the tool, it's the person using it. I'm not a tool, you're a tool, idiot. Now, you just put your little scratch stuff on your foam stuff. Make sure there's nothing on here. Don't wanna rub dirt in the paint. Just a little dab will do ya. Just like that. Let's get buffing. Let's get to work. Ready? Now, you're gonna smell burning, and the burning smell is just the way scratches smell when they're coming out of the car. we're nearly there. It looks great. Whew, looks good. Now just remember, you want to work in small areas and then completely forget and just go the whole mirror. Because why do it right? It's going to get done if you go the whole mirror. But this is proof that things can get buffed out. Doesn't matter if something's broken. You have like a life problem. Just buff it out. It'll be good. Give it a little elbow grease. You got this. And this looks good. Damn, I'm good. Well, we really showed that scratch who's boss today. You know what? I think we took care of just about every scratch on this car. Except for that one. We'll deal with that one in another episode. But we took care of this one, and I hope you learned a thing or two. Maybe not how to do it the right way, but how to do it your way, the fun way. And just remember, you can buff it out. Things break. Buff it. Show a little confidence in yourself. You can do it. But I want to thank you guys for coming by and hanging out, this time in a garage. Doesn't always have to be a hangar. Either way, I want to thank you guys for hiding out. Okay, so I've said it a couple of times, but remember?
Well, we agree, see?
Day in and day out, running around, being stupid, and always screaming, let's just add more PSIs, or that'll buff out. You know what? I'm over it.
What happened to your shirt? Did a cat roll up on it? All right, we... Pew!